so much for taking this time out and coming here for this uh, for the release of our Lakshya Cup, the 15th RR Lakshya Cup, which is scheduled to be on the 4th and 5th this coming weekend. And a few highlights about this competition, and it's one of a kind competition which is mainly conducted after the nationals, and where men and women compete together. And this year I'm very happy that we have both the national champion in the men's category and the national champion in the women's category who are going to be here, and they are going to be fighting with each other, and to have their hands on this all silver rotating trophy, and that's the major highlight. And men and women competing together, it promotes gender equality, and it's something that all my elite shooters look forward to. Apart from the national champions, we also have the Olympians who will be coming here. Arjun Babuta is going to be here. He had the 4th place finish at the Paris Olympics. It was a heart-wrenching, very, very close finish. But at the same time, the sport goes on. So he will be here to start with the next Olympic cycle, and he will be competing here as well. Sandeep Sipa from the Indian Army, who was also part of the Olympic team, who had a good performance, very closely missed out on making it to the finals. So Sandeep Sipa is also going to be here. And from the past Olympians, Divyansh Panwar and many more. So these are some of the highlights of the athletes who will be coming here. And I would like to also mention a little bit about why we decided on hosting a competition like this. So in my shooting times, I used to travel a lot to small competitions in Europe, wherein the competition was the numbers were limited, but it was an elite competition in terms of the performances. And through these competitions, it gave me a very good experience, match experience, and the stakes were higher, and I learned a lot without worrying about the consequences. Okay, if this competition is going to help me get into a team, am I going to get worry about team selections? And nothing of that sort. So I could really purely compete, learn from that, and take it forward to the competitions where it was very high stake. So I think that's the idea behind this, that in India, yes, we have a lot of these selection trials and a lot of competitions, yes, but there are some times when a shooter just wants to go out there and compete as a learning experience from which they can try some new things out and see how they are able to incorporate those little things that they've tried in training in a competition. So that's where the idea of having this invitational tournament, where we invite the top 20 air rifle shooters, men and women, to come here, and they all compete together, where there's prize money, there's cash money, and this of 1.5 lakhs for the senior categories at and 75,000 for the junior category. And the competition is supported by RR Global, our title sponsor, and that's why it's RR Lakshya Cup, and along with a lot of other sponsors, Kapapi, that be giving away the prize Kapapi kits, training kits for the winners. So this is the format of the Lakshya Cup, and I'm also very happy that our junior national champions are here. Mayuri Pawar is from our old from our own Girls for Gold program that was floated by Lakshya Shooting Club last year with a tie-up with Infosys Foundation through Go Sports. And we started with this program called Girls for Gold. And in the very first year, I'm very happy to say that Mayuri Pawar won the silver in the junior category and the gold in the youth national championships recently, just 2 days ago in Bhopal. And all in all, she's won 8 medals at the national championship. So it's going to be it's going to be great to see her participate here and see how she can take this game forward in this coming cycle. So I look forward to some great participation, and this is a competition where we celebrate hard work, and we reward them, with a prize money. But at the end of the game, I hope that this competition becomes an inspiration for a lot of others, and it drives people, it drives my athletes to work towards excellence. And that is the real motto of having a competition like this, that each one strives for excellence, and it inspires many more to take up this sport in the coming years. So thank you everyone, and I hope and I would like to invite all of you to witness the 15th RM Lakshya Cup this Sunday. The finals will be at 3:30 p.m. and it's a spectacle. It's a high pressure, but it's sport at its best. So I do hope to see all of you there. In the recently held Paris Olympics, shooting has done exceptionally well, and I've been honored and privileged to lead the Air Rifle team as the chief coach in the Paralympics, and as the personal coach of Avni Lekha, chief coach in the Olympics and personal coach of Avni Lekha in the Paralympics. And it's been a great journey. It's been a great journey, and what I feel that, especially in this cycle, I think we really worked on the athletes being more mentally prepared for these high-stake competitions. That's the one big thing that was our primary focus in this cycle, and I think it shows that we are on the right track, and the results was for all to see. And I do hope that all my athletes will continue the same work, and through these competitions learn how to keep their concentration and their mental composure even under pressure. The more they train for it, the more they experience these matches, the more they are going to learn to handle those very high pressure competitions in this cycle. So this is just a small step towards achieving those big dreams for which we are all working, and this is the beginning start of this coming Olympic cycle, and we are all excited, and we're all geared up for the hard work that comes in this Olympic cycle. So I welcome you all for the Lakshya Cup that's scheduled on the 5th, and witness a very high intensity competition at 3:30 p.m. So thank you all once again for being here, and if anyone has any questions, please feel free. I'm here. Existence in 2006, and after my appearance at the Olympic final in 2004, the club started in 2006. So after 2 years, I felt that it was a competition for within the club, so that athletes let that be the first step in their competitive years. So it was more an intra-club affair, and right from the beginning, I felt, in my time, girls used to shoot 40 shots and boys 60 shots. And I always felt that why is it like that? Because we can very easily do 60 shots. So back then in 2008, the first time when we started with this, I started with a 60 shot match. Men, women will compete together. because I felt that we can do it. And that's where we started that. And after so many years, for the first time, I think in 2016, we had women shooting 60 shots. I think almost a decade after I started that in my own range, finally, the world body also started thinking like that. And we had women shoot 60 shots as well. So it's taken a long time, but this is something that we had right from the beginning. And we continue with that trend, and even today we have men, women competing together and all shooting 60 shots. The ISSF also introduced a mixed team event, but that is again where it is one female athlete and one male athlete, where they're shooting 30 shots. But this is not that way. Everyone shoots 60 shots and they're all coming together. So we've had, last year I'm happy that finally, the first time we opened it up to the whole of India by invitation, the top 20. When we opened it up, we had Meghna Sajana who won the Lakshya Cup. The first time it was female athlete, and then 2016. And then after that we've been having men, winning it, and I'm very happy that last year again Shriyanka won it, and she won. And also another, it's just my, feeling that whoever's winning the Lakshya Cup is actually going out and really, doing it, making it big in the forthcoming year. So I have a lot of faith that Shriyanka won the Lakshya Cup, and she also went on to win the Olympic quota, the next year. And we also have, some similar trends in the past, and so I think it's a great competition for experience, and it's a great learning, and it showcases what's coming in the year ahead. So actually, Lakshya Shooting Club is in Panvel and Navi Mumbai, and so I used to travel to Worli every day, and it was like 2 hours each way. So I did that for 10 years until I made it to the Olympic Games. So in 2004, until I made it to the final. So after I made it to the final, it was the local MLA felt that, this girl is traveling 4 hours every day. She did for 10 years until she made it to the final. So we must have a shooting range here in Panvel. And that is how Lakshya Shooting Club came into existence. And so after, it all started, I was the only shooter from Navi Mumbai. So I kind of had to get into coaching. It was almost like, So that is how from 2008 onwards, I've been doing balancing both, being a shooter myself and also coaching. And then of course I've had, over the years, I've groomed and built a team that is all together, managing Lakshya Shooting Club. So now it's 2025, and I would very happily say that we are 18 years into existence, and even in these nationals we have about 100 shooters from our club, not just from Navi Mumbai, but we have athletes coming from all over the country, all different parts of Maharashtra, and they've been coming here for training, and this year we had in the 3P senior men, Kiran Jadhav, who won the gold, national champion. He is our very own homegrown athlete. So Kiran is from Satara. He's a farmer's son, and so when he was studying, he had come to Panvel and he was staying with his uncle. He came here for his higher studies, and from there we saw that he has immense talent. So after a year or so, he could not financially support himself. So he is our first boy for whom they've given a complete scholarship, where we never charge for his range fees or coaching fees. So I would say he's really our adopted boy, long before he became a champion. And so he's been with us ever since he was 18 years when he was studying in college. And when he was 23, 24, he needed a job, so there was an opening in the Navy, so I told him that, you could check it out, and that's why he joined the Navy, and he was part of the World Championship Air Rifle team, gold winning team, and this year, second time he's won the national championship, beating Olympic medalist Swapnil Kusare and Aishwarya. So they are at Lakshya Shooting Club, very, very proud to be part of his journey, right from scratch, right from zero to where he stands today. And also the senior national champion Shahu Mane has been with us from 2018, and he was training with us for 6 years. Now he's alumni, I can say. He's moved on, and he's again, he's venturing into the three-position event, and we are an air rifle range. So, and through the 6 years, I'm happy he won the silver at the Youth Olympics, and this year he won the national championship, and he's coming here to compete. And it's I'm happy that we've been instrumental in guiding young athletes towards taking it up as a career and being successful, and a little contribution, I would say, from our end in helping them build their career. And also Avni Lekha, who's the Paralympic gold and bronze medalist. So Avni came to me when she was 16 years old, and honestly, I did not know how I can help her. So, but after I met her, it was really love at first sight, and I said, let's do it. So I think together we formed a great team, and from 2016 we worked, and I'm happy that she could win the gold and bronze in Tokyo, and then our journey continued, and in Paris she could win the gold. So Avni lives in Jaipur, so she would come here. She comes here for training whenever I'm here, whenever she has the time. So we meet often for training. So just a few names that I share with you. But more important than that, for us at Lakshya Shooting Club is creating this culture and creating this place where we are able to nurture talent and help them get their best over the years and build up their personalities, their confidence through the sport of shooting is what we aim at.
Amazing, you're doing a very great job as a role model to the young upcoming talent. And speaking about that, could you also throw some light on the Lakshya Cup that you are having? How many students, how many athletes are participating, and what is your feel about the whole thing?
So for Lakshya Cup, we are sending invitations to the top 20 male, top 20 female, and also the same thing in the junior category. So overall, and so the competition goes on.
Totally around 70 to 80 participants from all over India.
So totally around 70 to 80 participants from all over India, and the competition goes on for 2 days, 4th and 5th, with the finals at 3:30 on 5th.
Okay. After the competition, any grooming that you will be doing for them to go into Olympics, the winners?
So my main goal is having this time to kind of interact with them and have the chance to meet them up, and also for the competition I've asked Gagan Marang has agreed to be the guest of honor, but his mother is a little unwell, so it's really subject to how she recovers, and I do hope that even a few words from him will be a great inspiration for all the athletes coming there. Last year we had our high performance director, Dr. Pierre Bouchon, who was there, and the children really learned a lot. Even now the shooting family has grown so much that it's not every day that they get to meet and hear their role models speak, and gurus from from all over India who would be coming there, to have a chat with them. It's not every day, so this is like a day when they are free to clear everything that's in their mind. So there's a lot of other benefits, and that's the learning that the athletes are surely going to have. And also what's special is we have an evening post event. We have a get together, almost like you can say a little party celebration. And again, this is something that I used to always have whenever I went for all the little competitions in Europe. So we had a very fierce, tough competition. But at the end of it, we would all meet for a little get together, and that was a great way to kind of make friends from other clubs and other countries. So it's the same concept. We don't have anything like that in India. Everyone is just competing, and and there's no platform where they can actually meet, interact, and really have like develop that camaraderie. And so that's why we have this get together also, where everyone looks forward to it, and where all the athletes can forget their competition and come down together and be together and develop a warm connect with each other. So that's another feature of the Lakshya Cup.
Any New Year resolution?
So I've been on the road for the last 6 years, and as the chief coach of the Indian team. And after Paris, though, I haven't applied for any, for the chief coach position, because I need a little time out, I would say. And at the same time, I would like to concentrate on my own club, Lakshya Shooting Club, and because I have a lot of athletes based on our success stories. I have a lot of athletes coming from different corners of Maharashtra and also India, and they are doing a lot of sacrifice in shifting their base here. With parents are shifting, moms are staying with their children. So I would like to do justice to the sacrifice that they are making and in coming here. So I would like to spend a little more time with them, and we are in the process of. We have a vision of making a high performance center in Navi Mumbai, because our existing place is really, I think, not enough for to cover all the needs of the shooting sport. And I would like to do justice to, like I said, the sacrifices that all the athletes are making, and I would like to seriously help them build their dreams in one center. And that's my next vision, dream, and I'm confident that with a lot of friends and with the shooting fraternity, the sporting fraternity, with the goodwill, that I can make this dream a reality. Yes, mixed team is a different event, though that is not part of Lakshya Cup. Lakshya Cup is where they compete together. But I would like to just throw a little light on the mixed team event that we have at the Olympics. So mixed team actually is like individual, it's an individual game. Each one has to shoot their own. But having said that, there are some things that we also introduced during our run up to the Paris Olympics. Was like, after your partner has finished shooting, just stand there. Don't just leave your rifle and come behind. It's a small something. So even if one of my athletes would finish, the other would still be doing a dry hold, just so that they're not putting additional pressure on the other person that, ab mera ho gaya, ab tum bhi jaldi finish karo. There are small things that you can do to make it more comfortable to your partner. Also, when it comes to those monitors, the screens, just turning it a little bit away so that the one standing behind is not staring, that your results are not, that he doesn't have to stare at your monitor. So, little something that you can do, and being more encouraging after the event. I think that's more important. If you shot well, you say, "Arey, kya shoot kiya tumne?" We lost out on being on the finals. It's not like that. So, small things where they can be more encouraging, they can shake hands before they start, they can, have a small word after they finish, fosters that team spirit. So I think just these are little things that we encourage them to do in the mixed team event. But otherwise, it's very much an individual event. This year at the Lakshya Cup, overall with the success of the shooters at Paris, I think the overall morale and self-belief of the entire shooting fraternity has come up. So I do look forward to some high performances, and I do hope that I feel we could really be in for some big records as well. So because I think overall the self-belief has come up immensely. And apart from that, of course, a lot of online viewership which normally we have, and I hope it garners a lot of support for shooting going forward. Yes, so Lakshya Cup is always designed to be after the nationals, so that it's more like a follow-up competition and also a good preparation for what's coming ahead. And so I think it's a very, very good place to review your performance from the nationals and make those corrections and have another chance at it so that you really know about what went wrong or what went right and it kind of reinforces that. So I think it's a very good competition to test that as a shooter and use the learning from there for the upcoming season that's coming up. Is the rifle shooter, yes, thank God. Thank God for Swapnil. Yes, yes. But I can say that throughout the years, air rifle has given us the Olympic gold medal, and so and we've had more finalists, at least in my time, with air rifle. So I was also part of the air rifle team, and the results with the air rifle are getting increasingly closer, tougher. I don't know if you all watched the nationals. Oh my God, unbelievable! I'm so happy, so proud. I've been part of this journey that I see this change. Because in our time, we only had 2 or 3 top level shooters who had those big scores, and all the others would like not be. But today, the top 10 and even a 630 point in the decimal was not enough to make it to the finals. So it's like huge competition in the air rifle category. So it's tough, but I think we'll gear up for it. Hopefully, another Olympic medal in the coming